This is how to fill a vegetable bed for completely free. I've seen people do this for cheaper vegetable beds, but this method includes digging out the soil as well. So we put our vegetable bed outline it, and we dig down the depth of the vegetable bed, or until you get to sort of more clay soil. I'm quite lucky in my garden is basically all topsoil. There's no clay soil really in it, so I just dug down the depth of the vegetable bed. Once I got it dug down deep enough, sort of started to hit a bit of clay, but it wasn't too much. Then I put my pop-up vegetable bed back down. You can do it with a normal vegetable bed, but ideally you would do this before you build the vegetable bed. You always have to go from the inside of the vegetable bed so it still has something to rest on. So you line that up, do whatever you need to do, put it whatever way you want to put it, and then you're just going to fill these gaps on the bottom with logs or branches or whatever. When you're doing this, you can use any type of log, but I know that some people, it's sort of debated whether or not to use pine trees, because pine tree can make the soil very acidic. So some people might not use pine needles or pine branches when filling it up, but I don't think it makes much of a difference. After you're finished with that, you just pile on a pile of leaves. You just want to push the leaves into the gaps in between the logs as much as you possibly can. Keep it as compact as possible. After you're finished with that, you just want to throw the topsoil over that you just dug out from the vegetable bed. Now this is the only part that might cost a little bit of money. If you don't have a compost bin, you might have to buy a couple bags of compost to mix in through your soil. But if you have a compost bin, this whole method is completely free, bar maybe the actual vegetable bed itself. After you're finished pushing all that in, you just want to squish it down as much as you can, try and compact it as much as possible, or you can let it naturally sink down over a couple of days. But I prefer to push it down. Lets me know if I need to put more compost in or dig up some topsoil somewhere else. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video, and if you want more gardening tips, advice, and even if you want to watch some time lapse of bigger jobs I've done, just hit that subscribe button.